Good evening. My name is Mark, and I am doing my case study, my final case study for the Google Analysis plus R Programming certification. A certification I highly suggest, by the way. It's offered through Coursera. In any case, this is my raw data, and what I'm going to be doing in this part of the cleaning is standardizing all the zip codes for 5 digits, as opposed to there's 3 or 4 different formats in this data. So that I can import them without fear into systems like Tableau, so I can divide it out by state or zip code. So my raw data, it's about 14,000 lines. So what we're going to do again is, like I said, we're going to change this, and I have a variety of different types. I'm going to go ahead and change this to all white text so as that we don't give out people's numbers. But there's a zip code that I'm looking to change to 5 digits. That one will be eliminated altogether because I don't need out of country. This one has a hyphen. So we basically have 1, 2, 3, and sometimes more than that, different formats. We're just going to standardize that all to 5 digits. Okay, the first thing we want to do is we want to insert a column to the right of the data we're trying to affect. Then we're going to insert a function, and that function is called left. And we're going to open parenthesis, the data that we want to change, separated with a comma, how many digits you want, close it up, and it pretty much takes care of business. That one wasn't affected because it didn't need to be. And if I copy that down, we're going to see that all this data that I wanted to make it consistent has been fixed. It's all now 5 digits. Okay. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take that entire column and I'm going to copy it, and then I'm going to paste just the values into that column. I'm going to retitle that header into zip, and I'm going to remove this column. And this is members, remember that, so I don't forget. And pretty much what we have now is everything exactly the way we want it. Okay, my next step is, of course, I'm going to take, I only want the members number in this case study. However, too much video editing to show you that part. So hopefully this was helpful. And you all have a great night, and like I said, I highly recommend that certification, the Coursera. It's offered by Google through Coursera. And have a great evening. See you, bye.